Today we are going to make cardboard city creations. Think about your community, or better yet, take a walk around your neighborhood. Make some observations and maybe even take some photos. What kinds of buildings and businesses do you see? Do you see hospitals, fire stations, libraries, pet stores, grocery stores? What makes up your neighborhood? After you walk around, come home and plan out your city. What kinds of buildings do you want to include in your own city, at home? Do you want tall skyscrapers or small buildings? Do you want any greenery like trees or bushes? What about a nail salon or a gas station? What's in your community? You can even make a sketch to help yourself plan it out. You're going to use cardboard boxes as a base. You can stack them on top of each other, cut them up to be bigger buildings, or a combination. Secure your boxes together with glue or tape. Next, you want to decorate your buildings. Using recycled materials like newspapers or magazines, cover your boxes. Do you want to paint the buildings? Do you want your buildings to have windows and doors? You can either draw them or have a grown-up help you cut them out. Don't forget to create signs for your buildings so we know what kind of building it is. Next, you can include trees or bushes or even patches of grass. When you feel you are done constructing your city installation, take a walk through. Do you notice any similarities between your own neighborhood and the city installation? Is there anything else you can think to add? Thanks for watching our video. Good luck creating your city!